Welcome to the Dr. Beasley's Clean Room, everybody. I am the Director of Success, Chris Rakana, here today to talk about tire conditioner. Tire conditioner is the conditioner for your tires you're going to want to use if you have a glossy painted car. As you can see here, tire conditioner is available in several sizes. You have your 8-ounce tube, you have your 32-ounce bag, and then of course for you professionals out there who do this for a living, we have our 1-gallon size as well. The benefits of tire conditioner are threefold. First of all, it nourishes the rubber and restores that rich black color. Second, it's infused with UV inhibitors, because obviously what causes your tires to dry, crack, and turn brown? Well, that's that UV radiation beating up on it. So this is going to protect your tires from those UV rays. And the third benefit for tire conditioner is its ultra thick formulation. It has gel-like viscosity, and this benefits us in that, number one, it reduces tire sling and makes a more efficient use of the product, keeping it on the tire. Number two, having this ultra thick formulation gives us almost a way to custom finish the tire. Do you like a little bit more glossy tire? Okay, we're just gonna apply it and leave it. Do you like a little bit more matte finish on your tires? In that case, you apply it, but then you come back with an old rag or a second towel or something like that, and you give it a quick wipe after application, and that's gonna knock down the level of sheen to more of a satin or matte look. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us at my team at drbeasleys.com. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you soon.